Today I'm with Murray White, isn't it? Murray and McHale Bear Taylor, Balter 174T, just on a 16 plate there. So well, it's all happening today. Hopefully it'll continue. So anyway, Jay's going to do a bit of filming. I'm hopefully get the drone up and see what's what. I'll just catch Murray a few times, a few bales before I go up at the top here. So here's my assistant for today, Jay Burns there. So I've taught him everything he knows, and yet he knows nothing. Only joking, Jay. It's a lovely colour of tractor, this. Really like the blue. But I think the green, metallic green, is my favourite. I thought he was going to get the other row, but he's coming actually down here. He's going to try and get a low shot. I used to have a Claas 650 Arian, I think it was. But this is what it's got now. And it's a McHale Fusion 3. So it should be in quite good fettle that. I haven't actually been across to see what it's like, but it certainly looks okay.